Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to share your location with another account on Instagram easily. Make sure you watch until the end. First things first, make sure you are using a personal account. Location sharing might not be available if you are on a business or creator account. Once you are on a personal account, here is what you need to do. Find the Instagram account you want to share your location with. Tap on message to open a chat with them. In the chat page, scroll down until you see more options. Tap on the option that says location, hit continue when prompted. You will now see an option that says share your location, just tap on that. And boom, your live location will start sharing with that account. If you tap view, you can see your shared location. If you tap stop, you can immediately stop sharing your location. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to like the video.